Hey man, oh shit, sorry, it's too loud. Hey man, say man, hey man, what y'all know about that Badvillain, huh? What y'all know about that Badvillain? Y'all probably already know a little bit more than Badvillain than me. I've only checked out a couple things, and the couple things that I've checked out, I kind of like it. I'm not gonna lie to you, man. I'm not gonna lie to you. This is a Badvillain Hurricane. Let's watch it. Let's watch it, Hurricane. Make me love you more, Badvillain, please. Oh. Hey. Hey. Okay. 말보단 행동, 셰프가 매고 I take off. 내 팬의 애교쟁이 rappers, 잔챙이들을 쓸어버린 echo. Crown taker, coming out the underground savior. 너와 나의 정체성, 그처럼 너를 긴 돌아버리겠어. 빙글빙글의 smile, waking up right. 뒤에서 날아가 아무나 wow. Bro, that bass is nasty. Nah, I don't think you should. What? Okay. Bro, these edits are like forcing me to start bobbing my head and shit. This beat is lovely. Crazier than crazy one, you know that I'm different on the alien. Okay. Hey. I'm the screen, I'm the scene, I'm the screaming. I got a feeling. Yeah, I definitely saw a video with this song. That was the that performance joint, right? I think that's what it was. Let's keep this vibe going. Oh yeah, I remember this. Ooh. I'm not gonna lie to you, BV. That actually, after just that acronym is actually like ruined it for my brain. And y'all know exactly what I'm talking about. Bacterial vaginosis. I learned about that. TikTok be telling me a lot of shit, bro. Ooh. Oh, I like her voice. Ooh. Oh my gosh, this is like a disrespectful yo-yo. From the bottom to the top, drip lightning. What? Nah, these girls about to make me crash out because they doing this just off tempo shit. It's so hard. I'm liking it. How y'all just going throwing a bridge like that? That was so disrespectful. They over there rapping their asses off, barring me to death, and y'all just gonna throw a bridge in here? Okay. Woo. Oh, I just had chills. Okay. 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 I should get out of the way. I need to hide in the tub. The tornado gonna get y'all. You know what? I feel like this was like a little appetizer. This song seems like an appetizer. Like it's one of those things that can like get you where you need to go, but it's like it will lead you to wanting more. That's what I feel like. That's what I feel like it is with this song. And I think in my last video that I did with Hurricane and that 82 plus 82 thing, They stopped it at that hurricane line, and I was like, bro, we need more. You know what I'm saying? Huh. Y'all still disrespectful as hell for what y'all did with that bringing in that bridge though. I did not appreciate that. But if that's what y'all gonna be doing, I hope y'all keep the same energy. You know what I'm saying? Don't give me no okey dokes, cause I was already on a ride right now, and y'all just snatched me away from the bars. So be careful. Don't do that again. All right, I'm watching you. But I do like this.